What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna do a quick power hour cleaning video for you guys. If you guys don't remember what a power hour is, it was a challenge that was created by Style Mom XO a couple years ago, where you just want to set your timer and clean for a whole hour with no interruptions. So no TV, no answering your phone, nothing. You either have your list in your head or you can write your list down, whatever works for you, but you're just gonna dedicate one whole hour into cleaning and tackling your to-do list, whatever it is. So for me, it's gonna be cleaning upstairs and then trying to get as much downstairs as I can get done if we make it down there. It is a challenge, so we're gonna see how this works. The house is it needs some tidying up all through the house. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Lindsay. I would love to have you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our family here on YouTube. We have an awesome community. I have nothing but positivity and love on this channel, and I appreciate all of you guys for that. So go ahead and meet me in the comments, say hi, introduce yourself, and let me know if you're a new subscriber. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my clock right here, or my alarm, for 1 hour, my timer, and then it is 11:14, so I will see you guys soon. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start with tidying up my room and putting all of the clothes, the dirty clothes in the laundry, and putting everything back in the closet and where it goes. I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. So what the power hour is, it's not exactly a deep clean, so I'm going to basically be doing like a quick clean or a tidy up in all the rooms that need tidying up in. So it's not going to be a deep clean like you typically see in my cleaning videos. It's just to get everything cleaned up and put away as much as possible. You guys know I always have my water. I literally drink this water bottle all day long. I refill it like 4 different times. And then that's the little flower that Ava brought me from outside. It was so sweet. So I am using the essential oil Breathe Easy. It is from Simply Earth, and I like all of their essential oils. It's only for now. I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this. So I needed to kind of clean up my bathroom, wipe down the counters, clean the mirror and stuff like that. So that is what we're doing right here. I did just purchase some more cotton balls, so I'm just kind of putting the cotton balls in the organizer. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. So I am using the Method Anti-Bac Cleaner to clean off my bathroom counters. Let me know if you guys have tried out Method's cleaning products and what you guys think about them. It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I really love this cleaner. This is the Method all-purpose grapefruit cleaner, and this one actually cleans glass and surfaces, so I really like it because it's multi-use. So right now I'm just putting away some of the laundry. We just had a few things left. This is actually where I'll sit down and fold all the laundry typically. So that's what I'm doing here.
It's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you.
Now we're downstairs and we are going to clean up the kitchen and do as much as we can down here before the time runs out. I think I was down to about 26 minutes or even 30 minutes once we reach downstairs. So that is what we're doing now. If you guys are enjoying this video, I would really appreciate if you guys can give me a thumbs up. It just shows me if you guys are liking these videos and what type of videos you'd like. So this is a cleaning day for me because I was just in school 5 days prior to this. So I have like a lot of dishes, a lot of things that needed to be done. Usually my son empties the dishwasher, that's his chore. But since I was cleaning and it wasn't emptied, I went ahead and just emptied it so I can load it up.
But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's.
I do like to hand wash my pots and pans instead of putting them in the dishwasher, so that's what I'm doing here.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So right here is like the catch-all station for us. Everything gets thrown on here when we get home. So I do have a couple of bags of items that I'm going to be taking back to the stores that were like leftovers from the birthday party that we didn't end up using. So I have those receipts. We're going to take those back, and then there are some things that needed to go upstairs and be thrown away and all of that stuff.
In our fights and whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it.
And these flowers I actually got for my birthday from my dear friend Marilyn. I need to get rid of them because they're old now. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Clorox wipes and just kind of clean and disinfect the countertops.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying.
Alright you guys, so I just showed you that the 1 hour was up and I did as much as I can. I didn't get to the living room, but that's okay. I got a lot of the house clean and I feel really good about it. It is kind of loud in the background because I do have the Roomba going, and the Roomba just kind of sweeps up all of the downstairs floor, so I don't have to do that. And yeah, so that's one thing off my checklist. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, always leave those down below. Always say hi, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That always helps me out, allowing me to know which videos you guys enjoy watching. So I will see you guys all later. Bye.